Narrowing searches. Finding journal articles using subject headings and limiters. To get to the database that houses the best journal articles for our field, either use the link that we have posted on the course for the American Theological Library Association Religion Database, or go to the seminary website, then click the library link at the top of the page, then the link for ATLA that is just under the search button. Again, there's no reason to do a keyword search at this point, especially since you have good quality subject terms to work with. And remember, databases are massive repositories of data, so starting with a limited search is definitely the way to go. So I'm going to go with vocation again, and then limit as a subject, and select search. Even in this limited database that's only about religion and theology, and I narrowed it to only articles on vocation as a subject, look, I still get over 1,700 articles. So let's get some of the limiters set. The first thing you want to do is limit on the left to scholarly, peer-reviewed. This will remove all of the popular journals and more newsy type of articles. So that gets you all the way down to 555. So what does that mean? 1,200 articles were not scholarly. So then the next thing on the left again will be to limit to full text, because let's face it, you need articles that you can get to from your house. That limits us down to 458, but I don't even want to look at 458 articles. What I want to do is scroll down on the left to the limiter of subject. So I select subject, and this is what I need. If I select this, vocation ecclesiastical, that gets me to 127 articles. So much easier to wade through. So let me select that. It takes me to the 127 articles. This database also, just like Calvin, allows you to build a list of articles that you want to hold on to. You'll notice this folder on the right. If you select it, it turns yellow like a file folder, and it will allow you to make a list. And when you're ready to see your list, simply go over here to the right to the folder view. And it, just like Calvin, it allows you to select the articles and then email them to yourself, save them, or print them. The other thing that I'm going to take this out of the folder. The other thing that I find really helpful about these databases is that they provide you an easy to read list of subject headings just under the title of the article. The article, here's the title of the article, here's the author, here's the journal that it's in, HTS. It was published in 2016. But as I start looking at these subject headings, it's about Martin Luther, John Calvin, the priesthood of all believers. That might be a little bit off base for my interest. So I'm going to pass over this article and move on to another one that's more relevant to me. Hopefully using these limiters will help you limit your search as you seek to locate the 2 journal articles relevant to your topic that you need for this assignment.